Good morning, everyone. My name is Anisha. Today, I am going to speak about Rani Velu Nachar. Rani Velu Nachar was a great freedom fighter of India. Her parents were Chelamuthu Sethupathi and Sagindi Mittal. In 1772, the British troops
killed her
her husband Muthu Vadanganathan. The British troops captured Sivagangai. Along with the support of Tipu Sultan, Maruthu brothers and Queen. She was a great role model of all women. Thank you.